Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that lets you edit your note directly from your PC. If you've ever wanted to tweak or completely change your Instagram note without reaching for your phone, this new feature is going to make your life a lot easier. Let's walk through the simple steps to edit your note on Instagram using your computer. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, look to the left side menu where you'll find several options. Click on Messenger, which is Instagram's direct messaging feature integrated into the desktop experience. After clicking Messenger, you'll see your recent chats and, importantly, your current note displayed at the top or somewhere prominent in the sidebar. Find your existing note and click on it. This action will bring up the option to leave a new note. This is where the magic happens. You can now replace your old note with a fresh message. Go ahead and write your new note in the text box that appears. Whether you want to update your status, share a quick thought, or just add something fun, you have the freedom to customize your message exactly how you want it. Keep in mind that Instagram notes are short and sweet, so make your message catchy and concise. Once you're happy with your new note, simply click the share button. This will immediately update your note for all your followers to see. It's that easy. No need to fuss with your phone or worry about missing out on the latest Instagram features. To recap, editing your Instagram note on PC involves opening Instagram in your browser, clicking Messenger from the left menu, selecting your current note, writing a new one, and hitting share. This update streamlines the process and gives you more flexibility to stay connected and express yourself right from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy updating your Instagram notes with ease. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your social media experience.